I'm having to do this from my living room since it's snowed outside this morning. It's very cold. I made some notes. First of all, when I look at your video, I'm not sure if maybe the size of your baton is too big. And so to check the size of your length of your baton, you put your one end in your armpit and the other one should go in the palm of your hand. That is the accurate size. The other thing I noticed was you don't always hold the baton with the big end up. So like if you're holding it out in front of you, the big end should be the left or up. And that way when you get to doing your flips and different things like that, you can check the accuracy. So always keep the big end up. I noticed you doing some flips and that's pretty good. But in order to get really good control of your throws and your tosses, I know of two different types of throws. The one is the horizontal twirl to a toss. It's kind of a different toss. Okay. The other one is a thumb flip, which is what you're doing. And in order to get really good control of that, what you need to do is just practice doing one, and so you can always check and make sure your baton is in the right position. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then eventually you can try to go to 1.5 and 2 and up. Okay, that was 1.5. 1.5. Okay, that was a 2. You also want to try to do your flips and then continue it on with something else. And so I'm kind of limited here in the house, but so you want to do another move after it. I also see you doing a forward figure 8, which is okay, but it's really hard to go into any other move from a forward figure 8. I mean, what else do you do from a forward? Well, it's just really hard. So try a backward figure 8, unless that's what you're already doing. In the camera, it looked like you were doing a forward. So from a backward figure 8, you can do a lot of different things. You can do, because I know you did a hand over hand. That's how you do it, hand over hands. So from a backward figure 8, you can do a hand over hand. You can do a backward figure 8, hand over hand, backward figure 8, hand over hand. And if you do one backward figure 8 and hand over hand, it's called a butterfly. And that's what that looks like. Backward figure 8s, you can go into a lot of, like you can go into a different move. I saw you do the eagle. And with your eagle, it was good, but your arm's moving too slow. You're doing too many twirls per revolution, okay? So you're doing kind of like this, you know, you kind of get caught up here, and that's because you should only be doing about 2, maybe 3 revolutions for an eagle, okay? And then you can go really fast with that. And basically all you're doing is a backward figure 8 while you're bringing your arm around. And from the eagle, I mean, you can do all kinds of this. Again, everything goes into one other move. Just a minute, I have notes. The other thing about your hand over hands, you can do a hand over hand to below the knee. You can do a hand over hand above your head. All different moves. So hand over hand, good move. You can go into a lot of different things. But again, it's better if you go backward figure 8. The under the knee routine twirl is very easy. You don't even do a twirl actually. You just do two, uh-oh, I walked a cat. Let me start over. Okay, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. Okay, that's it for now. Oh, yeah, don't forget the horizontal twirl. Okay, I didn't see you do that one. Very easy. Okay, you can do tosses from here, or you can do revolutions with the big end like that, and then go under. Okay, like if you're gonna do a hand over hand above the head, you do horizontal twirl under and over, or it's a pretty twirl to just go over under. Okay, that's it for now.